Hi Dusty! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Look at that po. Hi everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my sneaker channel. For today's episode, we are going to unbox and check out a really elegant, classy, luxurious feel and vibe Air Force One. O diba, panalo? Let's go! Before we get to that particular shoe, let me just share with you some of my favorite Air Force Ones in my collection. Currently, this is the Air Force One that I rock often. This is the Air Force One Kith from their Tokyo shop. So I just love the overall look, the vibe, the colors. It is just so on point. So arguably, one of my favorite pairs in my collection. The second Air Force One that I want to share with you is this one. So this is one of the most expensive Air Force Ones that I have, which is the MCA Off-White Air Force One, of course, by Virgil Abloh collaboration with Nike. And today we get to add another Air Force One in the collection. And I'm super excited for this because when I first saw it, I think I first heard about it way back early 2020. It was something that really captivated my imagination. The build, the design, the thinking behind it, the minimalist look, and yet the luxe overall materials and the vibe, man, it was just really something that spoke to me. It kind of reminded me of luxury designer sneakers. You know, the ones that come from like Prada or LV, because the materials and the thinking was just there. Anyway, let's get to it. This is the Comme des Garçons Air Force One Mid. Nice. This is the one in the white colorway. So it actually comes also in black. Now, to those who live in the Philippines, I was able to get this from the UniversPH shop, which is located over at Rockwell. They actually also have the Air Max 95, and they're even, offering that at a sale price. But this one, you need to pay the full price for. However, I'm not complaining because it's a really nice looking shoe. So what do I love about this shoe? So first things first, it's the design. I love the construction. It's as if they put together different layers of leather as they built the shoe from the ground up. So from the insole, they put an initial layer of leather for the initial structure of the upper, and then they added more layers, such as the toe guard, and then they added the one for the eyelets, they added the one for the swoosh on the lateral and the middle side, they added another one here at the heel, and then they added another layer over here, and then until finally you get to this Velcro strap thing with the Comme des Garçons branding here along the lateral side of the shoe. By the way, Nike Air logo over here. The rest of the sneaker is just so friggin' clean. It's so minimalist and so easy to wear, super versatile. The only thing that can be polarizing is the Velcro thing. Some people really don't like sneakers with Velcro. I personally don't mind them as long as they are not too loud. And this one definitely fits the bill. Another thing that I love about this is how it feels on feet. It just feels super comfortable. It is an Air Force One. It is perfect for people like me who have wide feet. The air unit in the midsole is definitely something that you feel, and the additional cushioning that you get with the insole is also an added plus. Now, if you don't like the white colorway, there is also a black colorway that you can pick up, but personally, since I am still into this white sneaker phase, this one was just a must cop for me. And it's a good thing that I've been selling a lot of shoes lately, so I could actually afford to buy it. Again, remember, our ultimate lesson when it comes to buying new sneakers: unload to reload. Sell something you're not wearing before you buy a new pair of shoes. Now, I mentioned that it reminded me of luxury sneakers. So just to give you guys a quick comparison, this is one of my favorite sneakers from the brand Prada. I got this at 40% off, or I think 50% off, when Prada over at Greenbelt did a big sale. So if you take a look at it, it has a really nice build. You have the Prada logo here. Very, it's just so classy for a shoe. It is just so elegant. And the materials speak for themselves. It gives that made in Italy vibe. Now this one, while the leather is probably not as good as this one, it still gives you that feel, that luxe feel, that elegant feel. Maybe because it's the construction, maybe because it's how they did it or how minimalist it looks. But man, this one, it's like a super comfortable designer shoe. That's how at least that's the feel that I'm getting. Probably different for a lot of you, but yeah. By the way, since we're on the topic, one of the most comfortable designer sneakers that you guys will ever find. This one, severely underrated, super favorite of mine in my sneakers that are, you know, like from the luxury brands. Again, I didn't even have to pay much. It was on 40-50% off, which was a steal given the quality, the design, the build, and the versatility of the shoe. Anyway, what do you guys think of the Air Force 1 Mid COMME de Garçon? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or which color do you prefer? Do you like the white one? Do you like the black one? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from everyone, from all of you, what you think of the shoe. And while you're at it, guys, please do help the channel out by giving it a thumbs up. Just hit the thumbs up, the like button down there. And while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And again, don't forget to comment what you think of the shoe. And one last announcement to those of you who are on TikTok, I currently opened up a new account over there. It's at Carlo Ople 2. There's a 2 because somebody already got Carlo Ople. That kind of sucks. Anyway, I'll link down below to my TikTok account. If you guys are mostly there and you want to find my content about sneakers, gadgets, as well as watches, you can look me up, follow me there. It'll be fun. Anyway, that actually wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very quick, simple unboxing. Just me being very excited with my latest pickup. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are all having a great week. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.